Well, they took off all the wood siding. Wood siding on the west side over here was really deteriorated and cracked. But anyway, they removed all of that and put in the new rock veneer. Tiled my patio there, took out all the old stuff, broken tiles and everything, and replaced it with new. Put the new handrail up there. Compared to the ones that did the yard, Spartan was much, much better. I mean, I'll never ask the people that done the yard work. I won't ask them back anymore. I've gotten all kind of compliments from the neighbors already about, how much nicer it looks. So they keep in contact with you. Greg, if they weren't here, I mean, he was calling me or stopping by almost every day. I mean, quality. I mean, the quality of work is wonderful.